You've been appointed to a leadership position and it feels like you've finally reached the summit after a long trek full of intrepid stories about how you overcame your limitations, career obstacles, complex personalities, and barriers to success. What a great feeling! Or is it? Today, we'll look at why working on your leadership presence makes your management processes powerful and easier. So, if you're wanting to start improving your leadership presence, you've come to the right place. It's time to learn 5 core leadership communication tactics that the best CEOs and executives use when communicating. The most effective CEOs and leaders streamline their behavior to protect their personal and organizational interests and responsibilities. Why? Well, because they understand that leadership presence includes what they say, how they appear when they're saying it, and the signals they need to use to inspire, motivate, and encourage their team to take action and feel valued. It's all about making a stronger impact with your leadership communication. Let's look at 5 ways you can focus your leadership presence like a CEO to make your managing easier. Speaking comfort. Rushes of speech, breakdowns in your message order, and croaky, reluctant voice tone derail your credibility as a leader. Personalized executive communication coaching will improve your speaking comfort so that you can convey your message expertly in all settings, no matter the pressure level. Logical flow. In leadership communication, solid logical flow tactics will increase your executive presence and stakeholder influence and give you tools to present as a visionary and inspirational agent for the organization. You must convey your information purposely and concisely to increase your team's interest, trust, and energy. Executive communication consulting will train you in templates and tactics to build out concise, seamless, and inspiring messages. Voice tone. Your voice is a social tool that has the power to inspire, influence, and build credibility, all vital requisites for successful leaders. Poorly produced voice tone dramatically reduces charisma and your message integrity and can reduce CEO tenureship. I strongly recommend that you learn to warm up your voice, put in place assertive speech patterns, and learn how to use engaging tone to catch your listeners' attention and thus inspire action. A leader's most dangerous stumbling block is their inaccurate self-evaluation. Leaders are known and even proven by research to overestimate their performance. This fatal flaw is the first step to your reputation downfall if you don't hold yourself accountable as a leader, because you may rate yourself drastically better than your team, stakeholders, and shareholders perceive you. From the boardroom to the podium, over the phone or behind the lens, I'll meet you at the communication barrier you're facing and help you to smash it. The High Performance Communication Audit gives you razor-sharp insight into your leadership communication so you can strategically align your soft skills to bolster career and leadership success. Enroll today via the link below. Okay, let's get into our 4th tactic. Social intelligence. Integrating strategic empathy and self-advocacy enables leaders to strike a balance between rapport and assertiveness. The ability to pull rank is vital for the effective direction of your organization. You'll benefit from social intelligence strategies if you're shying away from setting boundaries, giving critical feedback, or providing performance reviews that develop your team's skills. Executive speaking coaching can assist you in developing tactics to pull rank, assert authority, while still engaging team rapport. And our final tactic today is tactical charisma. Charisma research has repeatedly confirmed 16 proven charisma tactics that will engage your team and stakeholders and give your organization a unique competitive advantage. It's important to know where you stand when showcasing charisma signals. A simple way to improve your leadership presence is to start tactical charisma training. Compelling communication is not a fluke. Getting the influence you can only dream of counts on you drilling down, planning, refining your leadership presence, and speaking delivery. You should strategically signal science-based leadership credibility daily through proven communication behaviours. Most leaders I meet struggle to prioritise participation in core communication activities that enhance their leadership potential and trustworthiness because they're far too busy. My executive communication coaching gives you the tools to refine exactly what you need to communicate to exert maximum influence. I'll train you to integrate a systematic, simple approach to increase your participation so that you can streamline your communication activities easily to get the maximum return on your energy investment. Because if you're an executive, you'll know that preserving communication freshness is the main issue. If you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe for more executive communication tactics and let me know if you have any questions about leadership presence in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and ciao for now.